youth. The Meghalaya State Olympic Association (Msoa) gears up for the third Sohra half marathon to be held on 14 September 2024. Working President of Msoa John Kashing informed that the half marathon will be in 3 categories and is also part of promoting tourism. He also informs that they have agreed that the runners will be given a license by the Athletic Federation of India. Kashing also said that those who take part in the marathon would be from the age of 16 above, and for those who are below this age will not be permitted at the marathon.
Dangshan ngidang pelong ya kajing ka inspection pa harangkat ki la arsan kili ya session but bon ki kila penpau ka jing sohun kalau ka jing dembok ha we geliang pa West Genty Hills ka bon ba kini ki stadium ki indoor hall but kita don ru sekawai ngabot ban persungong humi kita don ru sekiwe ki disiplin ki lawan ban pan ban penrung ya sport ki tenrei kataru kadang ya kejingnya keren kan long subject to availability juga logistical arrangement namar ngi don kam ka accommodation ka pilihan ka accommodation de pin kan mau ha ka penungkong ka third Meghalaya game ka bangi pen em hadin kan rusdam how arpo ni pelong tang khasau li hijera pai poi ha ka ni ka arpo ar ni pelong kat kandai jeli jingla ka no de matangi kre ban apo turam nakani ka poi ka cross ka arpo jing peleka poi arpo likely den mentah ni push yang kala poi saka arpo